Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making a safe copy and exposing extensions so you can change one without surprise. First, close the workbook and pause Cloud Sync. This prevents partial saves. Next, open File Explorer and enable View File Name extensions so you see XLSX or XLS. Make a backup copy in the same folder or a different location. That preserves original data in case conversion fails. Once done, you're ready to perform the actual renaming step with confidence and minimal risk. Now rename only if the underlying file format already matches the target extension. Otherwise, convert inside Excel. Right-click and rename to change. XLS to XLSX only when you know it's an XML-based workbook. Otherwise, Excel will reject it. For reliable conversion, open the file in Excel, choose File Save As, and select the desired format such as XLSX or CSV. Excel performs proper structure changes. Make sure to review any compatibility warnings. And finish by reopening the file in Excel to confirm content, formulas, and formatting look correct. That validates the extension change. If Excel reports errors or won't open, immediately revert to your backup and try File Open Repair or use Save As to a different compatible format. Also make sure Cloud Sync is off during these checks, then re-enable and replace the file in the cloud. One key troubleshooting tip: if renamed file fails, don't force it. Restore backup and convert inside Excel instead of renaming raw extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.